Since 1884, Chesterton has been providing value-driven solutions to meet industry's needs. Chesterton solutions have been implemented around the world with documented success and recognition, increasing equipment reliability, optimizing energy consumption, and providing local technical support and service are what Chesterton offers industry worldwide. Global solutions, local service. The following program will present the innovative 33K split seal. This unique split design simplifies installation and improves performance for bearing and gearbox protection. The 33K has received the Product of the Year award from Plant Engineering magazine for its innovative design in the fluid handling category. The 33K can be used in many applications, including bearing protection for pumps, gearboxes, and rollers. The 33K split design eliminates the need and associated costs for equipment disassembly while improving the seal performance of conventional lip seals. Unlike conventional lip seal designs, the 33K split design dramatically reduces valuable installation time by eliminating the need for a complete equipment disassembly. Now we are going to review the design features of the 33K. The 33K is a unified assembly that consists of 4 individual split components: 2 sealer rings, 1 inner adapter, 1 outer adapter. All splits are staggered when assembled to ensure any leak path is eliminated. The sealer rings have 2 primary functions: to prevent leakage along dynamic surface and to compensate for wear over the life of the seal. By design, the sealer rings are located off-center. This unique feature allows for flexibility during installation to avoid contact with any damaged surface on the shaft. The inner adapter has a unique patent-pending spring design that radially energizes the sealer rings against the shaft. The outer adapter holds the stacked sealer rings against the inner adapter. This monolithic seal assembly acts as an energized unit, providing a positive seal against the shaft and a static seal against the equipment bore. Now that we have reviewed the seal design, let's review some of the key features with respect to the materials. The 33K is available in a variety of interchangeable exclusive materials, which allows the end user to choose the best material combination based on their application needs. The sealing rings are made from various high-performance, low-friction PTFE-based compounds that were specifically developed for sealing applications. The monolithic adapters are made from our advanced polymer materials, which provide excellent performance and superior durability. Be sure to reference the product data sheet to identify the ideal material combination for your application. The 33K split seal is an innovative, award-winning technology that offers a fast, easy, and reliable solution for bearing and gearbox protection. The unique split seal design eliminates the need for equipment disassembly, saving valuable time and money. There is no need for equipment modification, since all seals are made to order, minimizing costs and maximizing performance. The high-performance seal is proven to outperform conventional lip seal designs, increasing uptime and maximizing profits. The Chesterton 33K split seal, an innovative, award-winning technology that is easy to apply to your equipment. In this section, you will observe how to install the Chesterton 33K split seal. Prior to installation, check with your Environmental Health and Safety Department for specific procedures and policies that apply. And always remember, all safety policies and procedures should be followed. To start the installation, ensure the equipment is in proper working condition according to the manufacturer guidelines. The Chesterton 33K split seal is delivered pre-assembled from the factory. It is accompanied by a hard copy of detailed installation instructions which provides a step-by-step explanation on how to properly install the product. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the seal. Next, evaluate the shaft for any damaged surfaces to determine the ideal seal orientation for your equipment. If damage is identified, be sure to locate the sealer rings away from any fretted or damaged area. Remember, by design, the sealer rings are located off-center. Following the guidelines provided, clean the seal cavity and shaft thoroughly of all contaminants. Now you are ready to install the seal into the equipment. Read the entire installation instructions before you begin. There are two different methods demonstrated on the installation instructions provided: the twist method and the feed and slide method. The twist method is conventionally used when the first obstruction is not an issue and there is plenty of room to install the seal. The feed and slide method is most commonly used when the first obstruction does not allow the seal to be twisted around the shaft in the conventional manner. It is the responsibility of the installer to determine the best installation method for their equipment. Now we will demonstrate the installation using the twist method. Notice the seal is pre-assembled at the factory with two tie straps at both split ends. Holding the seal at the two tie straps, twist and wrap around the shaft. You can remove the tie straps at this time. Locate and join the split ends at the 12 o'clock position. Starting with the split joints at 12 o'clock, begin pressing the seal uniformly towards the 6 o'clock position. Continue pressing until the seal is secured into the equipment bore. Due to the designed interference, the assistance of a rubber mallet might ease the installation. Now we will demonstrate the installation using the feed and slide method. As mentioned before, the seal is pre-assembled at the factory with two tie straps that are located at each split end. This method requires you to slide one tie strap from one end around the seal next to the other. The first strap ties one end of the seal, while the second slides over and presses the seal components together during the installation. Position the tied end of the seal towards the shaft while expanding the seal splits apart. Do not expand the seal more than the distance needed to wrap around the shaft. As you feed the tied end to wrap around the shaft, begin pressing the seal components together, then slide the second tie strap over the pressed portion to further secure the components. Continue to press and slide until the second tie strap reaches the other split end and all the components are secured. You can remove the tie straps at this time. Now locate and join the split ends at the 12 o'clock position. Starting at the split joints at 12 o'clock, begin pressing the seal uniformly towards the 6 o'clock position. Continue this method until the seal is secured into the equipment bore. Due to the designed interference, the assistance of a rubber mallet might ease the installation. The inner and outer adapters are made from our extremely durable polymer material and difficult to damage during installation. However, be careful not to nick or damage the sealer rings at any time since they are made from a softer material. As the seal is pressed into the bore, notice the splits start to close together as the seal is worked into the bore circumference. As the seal is evenly seated into the bore, notice the gap between the adapters is barely noticeable. However, by design, once installed, a gap will be visible between the sealer rings. This gap prolongs the seal life due to wear. As the sealer rings wear, the gap between the sealer rings decreases, which indicates that scheduled maintenance of the product should be considered. The installation is now complete. Take all necessary safety precautions before starting the equipment. Following the simple steps described in this program and noted on the installation instructions will ensure a quick and reliable installation. This program demonstrated how the innovative 33K split seal simplifies installation and improves performance for bearing and gearbox protection. Some of the documented case studies show the successful results of the 33K in operation. The 33K can be used in many applications, including bearing protection for pumps, gearboxes, and rollers. The 33K has been field-proven to increase MTBR in various applications and industries around the world. The patent-pending split design eliminates the need and associated costs for equipment disassembly. There is no need for equipment modifications since all seals are made to order. The high-performance materials are proven to outperform conventional lip seals. The 33K split design, another industry-leading product by Chesterton.